LAC stands for Lighted Actuator Cover. LAC uses G4 chip-on-board LEDs on the actuator cover to provide ample lighting at night. It can be used in compartments, crossbed toolboxes, or to light the surrounding exterior of a door or truck bed. It is a feature add-on to traditional power locking components. It also utilizes a low-profile design, allowing doors to close and not disturb shelves or their contents. LAC can be installed as an OEM option or retrofitted as an aftermarket add-on. It can be used alongside our controllers to provide power lock and light management as well. Combining our products simplifies and reduces installation costs. Pair the LAC with our plug-and-play complete wire harness kit, which is pre-wired to handle the LED feature of the lighted cover, thus achieving the best compartment lighting at no additional labor cost. Be sure to ask for it by name, LAC. I'd like LAC installed on my vehicle.